This is just a nonsense video of me choosing for Filipino foods that I haven't been eating for the past 2 years now. So there you go. So would you travel for 30 minutes just to get your native delicacies?
Everything you said we already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know.
Good morning, bonjour, ça va guys? Today is an special day. I'm meeting a friend, an special friend from the Philippines. She has pasalubong for me. Okay, so pasalubong is a Tagalog word. And it's pretty hard to explain in English, but then there it is. I check it in a Wikipedia and here you go. Pasalubong can be any gift or souvenir brought for family or friends after being away for a period of time. Here you go. Okay, that's it. So whatever it is, it could be shells, it could be fish, it could be any kind of souvenir. It doesn't even matter how much it costs. It's just something that you give and you bring back home when you arrived. You give it to your friends or to anybody else that you think while you're on travel. When you see something that she or he might like, then you bring that back, and that's what we call pasalubong. And it's very, very common in the Philippines. Like if you get away for a vacation or a trip for a day or two, you don't have pasalubong, you better be ready for your lessons. We have 1 hour to 8 to have a coffee. I mean, this beautiful English coffee bar and restaurant. Nobody's here. Cheers!
One eternity later.
Lunch is served. We went to a new Chinese restaurant. It was buffet. It was not too bad, but I guess they can do better. But anyway, here's time lapse for you.
346 minutes later.
€2.60. O, diba?
This is still not my gifts from Evangeline. Maybe it's still stuck in the customs.
Chocolate, ano ba tawag sa ganito?
Croissant.
Okay, c'est délicieux. Déjeuner, pour dîner.
Everything you said we already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know.
Promo is life.
Finally, here it is. Here it is. I've been waiting to eat these foods for the past 2 years now. Bon appetit! Hey guys, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel because I will be making more videos every Wednesday and Sunday about life in France, and maybe one day you'll see Eiffel Tower. No more French Alps. Okay? Thanks for watching guys. Bisous!